Hi guys. So a whole funny thing just happened where we were watching anime and eating dinner and the doorbell rang and we were like, oh, were you expecting someone? No, were you? And it was actually FedEx dropping off something, and then they left, and immediately behind them the post office pulled up and they dropped off this. And this is very exciting. I was actually getting a little worried it wasn't going to get here in time before you guys could see everything before the Black Friday sale ended. But thankfully it did get here in time and we can open it together. Okay, so this is from our friends at SleeveChief. And we are going to see all the awesome new products that they are offering. And before I forget, these products, well, everything right now is 20% off site-wide on SleeveChief's website. There's an affiliate link in my bio. And then, oh man, there's so much in here. Okay, I'm going to set this down here. And we're going to put everything on the desk as we go. But everything is 20% off site-wide. And Art 5, my code, stacks with that. So 25% off site-wide. We got our drama sleeves. We love our dramas. We got, let's see, oh wow, so many deck boxes. Ooh, we got the Demon Slayer deck box. Gorgeous. I think, let's see, we got the red One Piece deck box. Oh, look at the hollow. Oh, I love us some hollow. Ooh, we got the Attack on Titan deck box. Looks so good. Ooh, and we got the pack deck box. Oh, this one. Oh, they did such a good job on this. Okay, we're definitely going to open all of these. I don't know if we're, yeah. Should we just do one big opening? We should do one big opening. Yeah, we should. Okay, thanks. We got, ooh, the Light and Darkness border sleeves. I did see these are sold out now, but the Sky Striker ones are not. So if you're seeing this right after uploading, you can still get that. Don't miss out. We got more sleeves. Ooh, we got some OCG sleeves, looking very fiery. So many sleeves. We got the red One Piece sleeves to go with our deck box. Matches. We love that. Ooh, we got the Pot of Avarice sleeves. Very nice. We got the Penguin Soldier crossover with the water. That's delightful. So we'll put down here with Demon Slayer. We got some more fluffy goats. Love the fluffy goats. And these were recently restocked, I believe. And these are, I think these are still in stock, so don't miss that. A few more sleeves. We have our witch sleeves, looking good. That's some of their original art. We have extra deck sleeves with our crazy synchro boy. We have our prosperity sleeves to go with our deck. Put her down here. We have the dark and regular honest and dishonest sleeves. Those look really nice too. Camera is not doing justice. And then we have our Attack on Titan border sleeves. So we have a very nice spread here. These are going to look good with the pots. Pot deck boxes. They have, so they're not here, but, oh, I have mine right here actually. I've been using my Pot of Greed deck box that they sent a while back, and I really like it. Still am absolutely in love with the magnetic thing, but my kitties live in here. And this just restocked this week on Thursday, yesterday, if you're watching this on Friday. And they have a prosperity deck box that goes with it, along with the fun matching sleeves, and then the new Pot of All border sleeves as well. So, very nice. But we're not done here yet. We have, let's see, we got 2 more. Oh my gosh, you guys. They sent the black pack box too. Oh, it's so nice. We're going to do a separate opening, I think, just for these because they are so pretty. And then we have, let's see here, we got another playmat. This one looks like a rubber one. Ooh, so this is the red pirate one, I believe. And we got a rubber mat. Let's see if we can get that open real quick so you guys can get a good look at it. Yeah, oh, and look at that hollow across the eye. That looks very nice. Very nice indeed. And then last but not least, we have one more playmat. And based on it, it looks like the 2-player playmats, which I'm absolutely a fan of. Yeah, the cloth playmats, I will say, guys, I really like their cloth playmats. They are so soft. Like, I don't want to say velvet because velvet gets that crushed feeling, but just so smooth. Oh, that's gorgeous. So we've got the Demon Slayer double player cloth playmat. Wow! Oh man, that was such a crazy movie. A little bit of a tearjerker. So good. I have a feeling my husband's gonna snag this one from me. Well, guys, that is the initial opening. We will dive into these here in some shorter clips, but thank you for watching. And again, Art 5 will save you 5% on top of the site-wide sale that started last night and goes for 1 week. There's an affiliate link in my bio. Don't miss it. And happy shopping and blinging out your Yu-Gi-Oh gear. Talk to you later. Bye!